Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about the differences between arteries and veins. Okay, so just remember here only the arteries, veins will be the opposite of the arteries. Okay, so first, how are the walls? It is thicker in the arteries, okay, and they are more muscular and elastic arteries, okay, and then veins have a larger lumen. Remember, if the lumen is larger, chances of collapsing is more. Okay, arteries never collapse because of small lumen. Remember, they can get infarcted, but they will not collapse. Okay, remember this point. Then the tunica media and adventitia, if we compare, it is thicker when in the arteries, opposite in the veins, and walls will be present in the lumen in case of veins. Okay, so references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.